everybody, welcome back to another episode of Try New Things, where today we're stuck inside because of the rain. Maybe you can hear it, but it's raining pretty hard outside, so we're going to do a little bit of woodworking. And my intention today, or my goal that I set today, is to accurately lay out some mortise and tenons for a woodworking project I'm doing for a Christmas gift. Now historically, I've been using this little metal ruler to lay out my measurements for these kind of things, for the mortises and the tenons, but I find it's not incredibly accurate. So I picked up on Amazon a tool that I'm very hopeful is going to help me out in laying out those mortise and tenons consistently and accurately on every piece. So here it is, a Clark's Brothers wheel marking gauge. Let me go ahead and open up the box and show you what's inside. Some spare cutting discs or scoring discs. Here is the actual gauge. So let's dig out a piece of wood and set our first mortise marks. Before we do that, just want to show you real quick. It's a black tool, brass fittings, and written here on the shank in centimeters on one side and inches on the other. So you read it on this side here. If I wanted to set it for 1 inch, I just come in, tighten up the knurled knob, and now we have 1 inch from the plate to the scoring wheel. Yeah, let's go ahead and get some wood. So I have my marking wheel set at 3/16. This here's a piece of pine, and what you do is you just put the flat piece of the brass up against the edge and you drag the scoring wheel across. I'll do the other side as if I was going to make a mortise. Hopefully you can see this, but the score marks show up quite well in pine. The challenge I'm having is I'm going to be using oak. Now it's still scoring. Again, this is just a test piece, and I'm scoring my oak. And the lines are there, but you may not be able to see them quite as well. The wood is so much harder that the scoring just doesn't show up. Also, it kind of matches with the grain. So what I'm going to do is I've put some transparent masking tape over where I want my mortise to be. And I'm going to score through that, and then I'm going to peel off in the center the portion where I want to pull the mortise material out of. Now, I've never done this before, so hopefully this is going to work and meet my needs. But let's give it a shot. Let's score this oak through that masking tape. Now to do the other side. And then I've got to take my utility knife, trim the ends. And peel out the center. I think that's going to work very well. So you can see the section in the center. That's where I'm going to be making my mortise. So the scoring tool is working great. It's actually pretty heavy. The challenge with my oak is it's blending in with the grain a little too hard to see. So I think this tape fix or hack is a good option. Let me do one more. Well, I think I succeeded in my objective for this short video, and that was to find a tool that would help me repeatedly and accurately mark the boundaries of my mortises I'm going to make for my woodworking project. That's going to be a different video. This one's simply on the marking gauge wheel that I picked up. If you have any questions about this or any of my other videos, as always, leave them below. Do me a huge favor before you leave. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you like for more content to come. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.